All right, so I'm going to be showing you this video how you can navigate through your Hostinger H panel. All right, so I'm doing this video in particular for somebody, but I just actually use it to do a general video also. So for you, if you're looking to you buy Hostinger and you don't know how to navigate it because Hostinger doesn't make use of cPanel, okay, so it can become a bit difficult. So I'm going to show you how you can use your H panel, navigate it, and install any kind of script in it. All right. So basically, after you've gotten your web, your domain and your hosting on Hostinger, this is how your HPanel will look like, right? Make sure that you verify your domain, right? You receive email, make sure to verify that domain so that you could be able to use it. Now, I want you to click on this website here. Now, when you're buying Hostinger domain, it comes with a long process, right, of just navigating everything. So I advise you to skip all of those process and just come right into your Hostinger dashboard. Now, once you do that, here you're going to see Hostinger, you're going to see dashboard here. You see these three dots, right? Now, what we want to do is just click on add website. If you go through that step, you may go and add website. So I would advise you not to just skip those processes and come to the dashboard. Yeah, you're going to be adding your website. So I'm going to be creating a online banking website, okay, and it's a scripted website, not a WordPress. So what you want to do is you want to go click on upload empty. All right, so we're going to be using the HTML, right? So, and it's going to be an empty one. Now you're going to choose your domain. This is very important. The domain you registered on Hostinger. Let's go back. Let me show you that domain here. So I'm just going to click on leave. Now, this is the domain here. So if you click on it to open it on another tab, you will notice that it's blank. There's literally nothing inside. You only get this. All right. So what we want to do is you can just make sure to copy it if you don't know the domain. So I'm just going to copy it here. Then you could delete this, right? Premium web hosting, your plan, but just go to PHP, that is HTML. I just pray that thing doesn't affect it. Okay. So once we put your domain, so we have connected to site free domain. So it comes with also a subdomain if you want a subdomain. I don't know. Seems that domain is connected to site. So what I would do is this. So just follow this step, right? So I'm just let me delete this first. So yes, there's already a website on that domain. That's why I said you make sure to skip all the process, right? If you don't skip the process, say your website future.com is being deleted, it may take up to 10 minutes. So I'm just going to give it time. After 10 minutes, I'll come back. So if yes, anything on that your domain, make sure to delete it. Because when you buy a domain or buy a domain and this thing with hosting guide to take you through a process, most times you will install a website. So when you come back here, just do well to delete it. I'll just click on done. Then I'll give it about 10 minutes. We'll come back so we can install our script. All right. All right. So we are back. So what I just want to do is I'm just going to refresh this. Okay. So after like after 10 minutes, you could come back, right? All right. Now there's no website, like I said, so click on add website. So remember your domain, right? Another way to get your domain is to come here, you look at your domain profile, and this is the domain. So let's just go into setting up a scripted banking website, all right? So first one we do was add website here. We're going to use empty PHP, right? When you do that, you could see your website here is literally free with that green cycle, right? So you click on next. Now, where is your targeted audience? So you probably want to put your targeted audience here. For me, yeah, just to yeah. So let me just put Brazil, right? So you could choose. So basically, they're just two by manually setting data. Okay, sorry, not data. Yeah, still targeted audience, but also your data server. So I'm just going to. You can use France. You could use Brazil. I'm using France. Just click on next here. Or any country of your choice. So it's going to initiate the setup. So just give it about 5 minutes or so. Then after the setup has been initiated, you can now go into uploading your script, which I'll show you in a jiffy. So let's just wait and allow this to load up. All right, so once it has loaded up, you get this, right? Now we have this. So we have your file manager where you upload all your files. You have your database where you create your database and some few other things. So what we want to do is I'll just click on file manager here. Now, what we've done is we have dedicated our domain to just that file, to creating a HTML website, or what I will directly call a scripted website. All right. So now we open your file manager where we're going to upload our script. Now you have this here. So we have your public underscore HTML. So yeah, what I want to do is I'm going to upload my file here. So you have this arrow to download, you have this arrow to upload. So we're going to click on upload. We're going to be uploading a file. So now for hosting app, the uploading process, you could see this thing is rolling, it's uploading. If you look a bit closer, you see a very blue line, right? It's also uploading. You could actually see another uploading here. So it gives you different indicator to show you, okay, your file is being uploaded. So I'm just going to give this some time so that we could upload the file. Then I will continue from there. All right. All right, so you can notice you see that the script has been uploaded. All right, so what we want to do is we're going to extract it. Okay, so just click on it, then right click, and you see go down, you see extract. So we're going to extract this. Now, where do you want to extract it? So the way it is like this, leave it that way. Just here, come here and type home. All right, so we're going to extract it. Now you could see that it's extracting. All right, so just give it some time. All right, so now we have the script. If we go to home, you're going to see the script in here. Now, if we go to our website, all right, just put our website info, you are not going to see anything. It's going to still be like this. But what you want to do is just click on slash, type slash, and try home, right? Now you could see it, right? It's here. But we don't want it to be on a directory. So this is a directory. We don't want to be on a subdirectory. What we want is that when people come to our website, they'll be able to see this. So the way to do this is, now remember, once we go to our public underscore HTML file folder here, we go to home. Now we have our last script. So you want to click on this multiple select, come here, then I'll scroll down. What you could also do is to do it one by one, just be doing one by one, but I want to do everything at once. So I'm going to hold down shift on the Windows laptop, then type it, and everything will be selected. When you do that, you see this arrow here, it says move file. So click on move. Now, what I want to do is just tap this here. Now I want you to be on that this make sure that your navigation is file public underscore HTML, right? So click on move. Now what it does is that it moves it to the public underscore HTML here. All right. Now if you click on this our home, we see that nothing is there. So you could do well to just delete the home. Sorry, not this. Delete the home. But if you don't want to make any mistake, you just leave it like this. Now if we come back here, all right, and just refresh this. Now you could see all of this, all right? So yeah, I'm just going to activate this whole script. Then next. All right, so what we want to do is we're going to create a database. So I'm going to show you how you can create a database on Hostinga. So we'll go back to our Hostinga here. On here, this place you just type data. You're going to see database. So what we want to create is PHP, not so click on management here, or you could come here and just click on the database, whichever one that is okay by you. All right. So we have your PHP admin here. We have your remote MySQL. So let's create the database. So we have your database name. Here you could give it. All right. So we don't have any database here. So we just click on. Um, let's refresh this. All right, so sorry, it did not load well. Now here you have it. So yeah, you want to give it a name. All right, so I'm just going to call it bank. All right, I'm going to copy that. I'm going to keep the same thing here, call it bank. Sorry, bank. Now we want to use your password generator. Make sure to save this password. All right, what me I love to do is I will just come to my script and impute the password here. All right, so that I don't keep going back and forth. All right, when you do that, click on create. Now we have successfully created a database. Okay, so here we have your database name here. So you want to copy this and input it on here, your database name here. Then the next thing is you want to copy the user. All right, then we input it here. All right, so our database has successfully been created. What we want to do is click on next here. So you see database successfully connected successfully. Watch, there's no need to save this. So we want to import our database. So click on import database. Now we're going to put in our password here. So I'm just going to call this admin at admin.com, right? Then our password will just be admin. So let me just copy this first part, copy, then I paste it here. All right. So what you want to do is click on submit. I said password must contain 6 characters. So what we can do is you just do admin twice. All right. So I'm just going to copy this admin, admin again. All right. So that's what we're going to do. So we click on submit. All right, so our website has been successfully been created. So this is basically how you can use Hostinger to create this banking or this any kind of scripted website, banking website, investment website, and all of those stuff. It is simple. There's no difficult thing to it. It's simple. It's a step-by-step process, and it is easy to do. Lastly, before we go, I want to show you how to set up your cron job on Hostinger. So you click on cron here. You're going to say cron job here. Now, depending on the script, okay, so if you have a script that requires cron job, all good. But this banking script, I don't think it requires. All right. But if you have a script that do require a cron job, then I'm going to show you how to do that. All right. So I have to refresh that because I don't know what was up. So cron, click on it. Now you're going to get your cron job here. Now, depending on the cron job, okay. So here, these are sites, okay. Now, if I think for this, we just have to click on admin. So what I just want to show you is the how to log when you log into your script to show you that the whole thing works very well. All right. So let me just do this, then log in. And this is very, very simple. This is very, very simple and easy. You could see that the banking script works very, very well. All right. So this basically, if you want this script, if you're in need of this script, do well to reach out to me. I'll put my contacts in the description below. All right. So that you could actually just get it for yourself and go ahead to use it. Everything works very well. But majorly, I just want to show you how to navigate your hosting app. Now, for the cron job, what you want to do when you're on hosting app is you want to make sure you're using custom, right? And here you're going to be putting some info. So it's basic and it's simple. Okay. So, like I said, if you want to make sure that it's on custom, right? So I'm done with this. I showed you how to install this script. Basically, I just use this script as an example. It's a banking script, but that's the same way if you want to install any kind of script on your hosting platform. Now, lastly, for the cron job, I'm just going to use the HIP investment script, right? So let's say this is your cron job. This is the code you're getting for your cron job. So what you want to do is this is for investment. You just have to copy it, right? When you copy it, you come to here and you paste it here, right? Make sure that it's using custom, right? Now, this place where you have your site, let me go back to history. So I'm just going to copy my domain here. Let's imagine that this is the investment listing, all right? So what you just want to do is you want to change this here and just paste your website name here, okay? Now, when you do that, you're going to set everything. So we're going to use common settings here. So you could use common, just leave it as the common settings. For here, you're going to use every minute. Okay, so every minute you're going to use, um go down, every hour you're going to use, every day just make sure to, and every month. On weekend we're going to use every weekend, then click on save, and you see your cron job has been successfully saved. If you view outputs here, if we have our script, yeah, you will notice it. Anyways, we're not using the heap investment script. This is for the banking. All right, so basically this is how to set up your cron job, any kind of cron job. This is how to use your Hostinger account. Do well to subscribe, do well to like, do well to comment, do well to share this video. All right, so basically this is how to navigate. Now, if you want to install, let's imagine you want to install WordPress or any other thing, you will need to delete this first. Okay, so first under manage here. Now here you could see your domain and all of these things. All right, what I want to show you is how we're going to, I want to, so let's go back to our home. Then we have your website here. Now, what we want to do is we need to delete the current website. Okay, so I click here, I click on delete. So we're going to delete everything, both the database and all of that. So like I said, this is what we did at the beginning of the video. If we refresh this, now you notice that it's still here. Now, because remember, you have to wait for about 10 minutes for it to literally delete. Now, in case if you now want to install any kind of website, probably you want to install WordPress, and the like. So you notice those things doesn't show. The place where we click on add website when we go here is because the whole system is deleting and it may take some time. So you have to give it about 10 minutes to 20 minutes, then come back and refresh, and you'll be able to add like a WordPress, or if you want to install the script, follow the script process. So basically this is how to go about it. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like to this video. If it helped you, share, do well to subscribe, do well to like. If you need the script or you need any assistance, I'll leave my contact below. Just reach out to me. Thank you.